Hello and welcome to a Pixify tutorial. Today we will be making 2 wedding invitations in Canva. We will be using our hand-painted safari watercolour flowers in the colour beige. If you love these flowers, they also come in 5 other colour sets. I will link where you can get your hands on these clip art sets below. The invitations we will be creating will be 5 by 7 inches using 2 different fonts. When you open Canva, you will first need to upload the clip art by clicking the Upload Media button. I have pre-uploaded the clip art below. The clip art set includes watercolour flowers, leaves, animal prints and glitter elements. Before you get started, I recommend locking the text in place to keep it still. This way you won't accidentally move it while you're placing the clip art down. Now, to just add the clip art into your desired spots around the text. As this is a watercolour set, the flowers and leaves are slightly transparent. If you would like the clip art to be less transparent, simply duplicate the clip art. Here is the finished design. Now, let's create a second invitation. And here is the second design. Thank you so much for following along, and as mentioned, the clip art is available in the description below. We make tutorials weekly, so please make sure you follow, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.